It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes levels of support and resistance easier to see. I have been doing this analysis on a relatively routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today, the chart certainly needs to be updated. Another very nice day. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do a little house cleaning from a presentation perspective. I don't want to have 8 million lines all over the place. So yes, those lines I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant, and I want to try to keep this as clean as possible without, like I said, a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So first update that needs to happen, though, is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have watched the past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 625 as resistance, but now that the price has finally broken above it, you can see that was the point that really kind of got the continuation going there. So 625 is going to be the newest area of support. Ideally speaking, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $6.50, that would make things look very, very powerful. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below $6.50 that everything's ruined or anything like that. As it stands right now, though, $6.50, $6.25 going to be those two near-term levels of support. Now for the fun stuff. What about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm going to have to scrunch up the chart, maybe even have to go to another time frame, which is a good problem to have because, yeah, let's just go to another time frame because the price has not been up this high for quite a while. Again, good problem to have from the bullish perspective. So there we go. So next level of resistance, right there at, let's just call it the $7 mark. So yeah, $7 next key level of resistance, and that's going all the way back till 2015 of November. So literally years ago is the last time the price, could potentially get up right around this high. So all in all, though, from the big picture of things, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of putting in these higher bases, then the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.